What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 1540 hours? So before we answer this question, let's quickly understand the concept behind it. The concept is this. We should know this basic fact that the angle changed between the minute hand by the minute hand in 1 minute is represented by 6 degrees because the minute hand moves 360 degrees in 60 minutes. Similarly, the hour hand travels 30 degrees in 60 minutes, so in 1 minute it travels half degree. Now if you see carefully, since the minute hand has moved by 6 degrees and hour hand has moved by only half degrees after 12 o'clock in 1 minute, so the change of angle between the two hands that can be seen is equal to 5.5 degrees. And this is the most crucial thing that we need to answer this question. So we have just summarized this concept that change of angle between the minute hand and hour hand in 1 minute can be represented equal to 11 by 2 degrees. Now, having understood this, we are going to answer this question that we have here. The question is, what is the angle at 1540 hours? So in other way, we can also say at 340, what is the angle? So to answer any such question, we always start the clock at a perfect time. So I'm going to start the clock at sharp 3 o'clock. At sharp 3 o'clock, the hour hand will be looking at number 3, whereas the minute hand will be looking at 12, and the angle between the minute hand and hour hand can be represented as 90 degrees. Now, we have to see the change of angle between hands in 1 minute. We already have seen that is equal to 11 by 2 degrees, whereas what we have to find out is the change of angle between hands in 40 minutes, because after 3 o'clock we have to take the clock to at 340. So in 40 minutes the change of angle will be 11 by 2 multiplied by 40, that is equal to 20 into 11, so 220 degrees. But since the initial angle between the two hands is 90 degrees, so final angle can be looked at by subtracting 90 degrees from 220 degrees, and that becomes 130 degrees. So that is option B. That's the answer. Let me quickly explain the last step. See, after 3 o'clock, as soon as the clock starts moving forward, the minute hand moves fast. So minute hand will travel bigger angle, whereas the hour hand will travel a very small angle. So this 90 degrees will first of all become 0, and after that at 340, when the minute hand will be somewhere here and hour hand will be somewhere here, you see the angle, the net angle will be the change of angle minus the initial angle. The final angle we can also write it as the change of angle minus initial angle, because the initial angle is going to become 0 at first. I hope now I have explained every part of it. Thank you so much for watching this video.